चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And viewers, we are going to a top story coming in right now. Big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party. The Supreme Court has rejected the plea for urgent lifting of Kejriwal's the bail plea that he had asked for the extension of. And the Supreme Court registry has cited the court's previous order extending Kejriwal's interim bail till June 1st and giving him liberty to approach the lower court for regular bail. That is the big update coming in right now, viewers. Supreme Court is also not hearing Kejriwal's request seeking a 7-day extension of his interim bail in a corruption case linked to Delhi liquor policy. I want to go across to my colleague who's joining us right now. No relief coming in for Arvind Kejriwal. Harsha is getting us all the details. And we see that Arvind Kejriwal has been very keen on staying out of jail. But while he was out of jail, we see he was involved in Assault Gate, the Swati Maliwal case. Take us through the latest details coming in. What has Apex Court said?
Rightly stated, Shivangi. Now there's a huge setback for Arvind Kejriwal, who thought that the matter could be listed for the urgent hearing. Abhishek Manu Singhvi was appearing for Arvind Kejriwal, and they listed for the extension of his bail till more for 7 days. And we know that the Arvind Kejriwal bail is getting over on 1st of June, and he has to surrender by 2nd in front of the Enforcement Directorate. And before that, this urgent hearing was listed from his side in the Supreme Court, but his huge setback as Supreme Court registry had rejected it and clearly stated that Arvind Kejriwal could approach the lower court. Now, Arvind Kejriwal either can go to Delhi High Court or either can go to the Rouse Avenue Court and other lower courts for the regular bail hearing. But Supreme Court now is not going to hear this matter. Earlier, we know yesterday, the Abhishek Manu Singhvi, when appeared in front of the Supreme Court, the bench of 2 judges clearly stated that CJI Chandrachud will take a decision on the urgent hearing, urgent listing of this matter. But now we know that there will be no urgent hearing of this matter. Huge setback as Kejriwal wanted to be out more 7 days after his bail was going to end on 1st of June. And right now he has got no relief from the side of Supreme Court. Back to you.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, Harsha, for getting us all the details coming in. We'll track the story very, very closely. No relief for Arvind Kejriwal. Let's move ahead to the other stories we're tracking right now. We're getting in some more updates in connection to Karnataka sleaze gate scandal. Republic has access of flight bookings